Every breath is a poem of its own. She taps her nails to let me in, and I write her name with my Bobby pen. We talk in pink noise, soft but wild, a frequency that makes me smile. Not loud like white or sharp like blue, just soft chaos only we move through. A shade of sound they'll never hear, a femme to femme world so clear. We whisper loud in pink noise skin, that sacred place where we begin. She tucks in my tag like a vow, flicks her curls when she's thinking out loud. Her perfume says more than her words, and I listen like it's something sacred unheard. We share a glass, we swap dreams, leave kisses on ice. Coffee seems her laugh is a spell I've learned to keep, even when we're only whispering deep. She adjusts her earrings, and I know that it's time to leave the shore. Two fans in sync, they never see what silence sounds like when it's free talking. Pink noise, soft but loud, a private dance, I code it down. Not loud like pride or sharp like pain, just sweet static in a velvet land. A tender hum that no one hears, but it's been ours for all these years. We whisper loud in pink noise skin, the sacred place where we begin. She said, you ever feel like we're tuned too soft? I said, no, just right. We've always been enough. We don't need big to make it real. We're proof that softness still can steal. We talk in pink noise, fair and true. In every silent I love you. No one needs to understand the world we build hand in hand. It's lip gloss, eyes, quiet thunder. Femme code of love they'll never plunder. Let them shout, we'll always win with pink noise where we begin. She tapped her nail once, I smiled twice. Pink noise speaks in softer